Whatever you undertake in life, be it in business, marriage, etc., don't expect a perfect fit. If you do, you're in for a huge disappointment. Learn to adapt to given situations. Construct a positive environment for yourself and above all seek your strength from the Almighty. When dealing with negative people, protect yourself from becoming angry or frustrated. It's not worth the heartache. Don't retaliate, try to hold your tongue. Responding angrily feeds their negativity. Hold your tongue. When the whole world's in deep slumber. When you wake for the sole purpose of worshipping Him. When you're alone with Him, crying out, seeking His help and forgiveness in the depths of the night. When you feel His might over all else. That's a cure for your distressed heart. Whatever's happening in your life, keep going. You didn't come this far to just quit and give it all up. Remember, the Almighty loves you and will keep redirecting you to what has been planned for you. Even when you can't see what's ahead, take that leap of faith. Trust Him always. Be prepared to be tested with fear, failure, loss, health, wealth. You can bear it with good patience or get upset and miserable. What should keep you going is the thought that nothing lasts. The Almighty has a beautiful paradise waiting for you. Don't forsake that. Almighty, grant us renewed strength, for we can't carry on alone. Our souls are tired, sapped by the worldly goings-on. Grant us the courage, wisdom and serenity of mind to accept that which cannot be changed. We know you have a plan for us and it's a beautiful one. Ameen. The truth is you don't need many friends. As long as you have a few who are willing to go out of their way for you, you're blessed. The one who will give you a lift when you're feeling down, the one who won't hurt you but who loves you unconditionally. Cherish such friends. Make the Almighty your center of focus every few minutes daily and you'll surely find ease in the hours that follow. Take small breaks during the day, think of Him and thank Him. Put Him first and your life will be elevated to a different level, a whole different perspective. Many of us try so hard to be popular, accepted and liked by others. Often, we go out of our way to be the person others want us to be. We forget that's not the goal, simply because you'll never be able to please everyone. You'll end up frustrated and miserable. Be yourself. You are who you are when no one is looking. That's the real you. The Almighty knows, which others may not. Remember, it's easy to be nice and feel good when things are smooth and ideal. The real you shows up when things are crumbling and nothing is going your way.